Manipur High Court ki 13th Suba Foundation Day Manitripukhri Da Lyba High Court Complex ta NGASI PANGTHOKKHRE loinana thoram asida Manipur Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand amadi Manipur gi Governor AK Vala loinana Judge amadi tongan ba judiciary members singna saruk yaki thoram asida Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand phongdokhibada Maruiba Thoramasida Ecoina High Court ki logi chatnabi nganganaba amasung Justice ki chap manaba khudung chaba soina fangan baga loinana achumba aron athup lehandaba matam chana judicial process singi kuthangda miyam gi thazaba hengatna ba wafam sing phongdokhre ikai khumna joriba judge singi kathokpa aihakna ikai khumna baga loinana manaba mige royal sang asibu mapangal kangkhatna ba wafam kayasu mahakna makata na phongdokhre
Justice Guneswar Sharma, Judge High Court of Manipur, Justice Gaumei Gaipusilu, retired Director, Manipur Judicial Academy, Shri Leninism, Advocate General Manipur, Shri Brajibihari Singh, Chairman Bar Council of Manipur, Shri N. Kumarjit Singh, President, High Court Bar Association of Manipur, Shri C.H. Bimol Chandra, Shri President Manipur Bar Association, Shri K.S. Samarjit Singh, Deputy Solicitor General of India, High Court of Manipur, Officer and Staff, High Court of Manipur, ladies and gentlemen, and media friends. Judiciary has been playing an extremely vital role in strengthening the safeguarding freedom and democracy in India, the strengthening democracy and liberal values in our country. The judiciary has played a significant role from being the guardians of the Constitution and an able protector of rights of the people. Judiciary should work in tandem with the legislature and the executive to bring a good governance in the state. The government is extending its maximum support and cooperation to judiciary and enhance the infrastructure